Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Ever feel like your students forget lessons as fast as you teach them? What if I told you there is a science-backed trick to make learning stick, and it is a very simple process? Let's talk about dual coding theory, the secret weapon of top educators. Dual coding theory was first proposed by cognitive psychologist Allan Paivio in the late 1960s. Paivio posited that our memory works by processing information through two distinct channels, verbal and visual. In his groundbreaking work, he argued that using both channels simultaneously can enhance our ability to recall information. This seminal idea laid the groundwork for numerous educational methodologies intertwining cognitive psychology with instructional design. So, how is dual coding theory applied in today's classrooms? Educators creatively integrate visual aids such as diagram, infographics, and videos alongside traditional text-based instruction. This dynamic interaction allows students to form mental images linked to the verbal information, fostering a richer, more nuanced understanding of complex concepts. For example, instead of just describing the water cycle, show a colorful diagram with labels. Instead of listing historical events, use a timeline with icons. The key is to pick images that directly support the lesson. No random clip art. The benefits of implementing dual coding theory are significant. It caters to diverse learning styles, enhancing engagement and improves long-term retention of information. Students often find that when they can visualize concepts, they comprehend and recall information more effectively, leading to higher academic performance. However, it is essential to acknowledge the challenges. Not all students may equally benefit from visual aids, leading to potential disparities in learning outcomes. Moreover, creating effective visual materials requires time and expertise, which may be a daunting task for educators already stretched thin with curricular demands. Avoid overloading slides with distracting images or skipping text entirely. Balance is the key. Tools like Canva, PowerPoint, or even hand-drawn sketches can make this easy. In conclusion, while dual coding theory offers a powerful framework for enhancing learning, its successful implementation requires careful consideration and ongoing support. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.